played against him, and I was like, oh my God, I cannot get near this guy. Tottenham, Liverpool, at home, I started. Gerrard in midfield, I was in midfield, and I was like, I'm going to do Gerrard. I'm going to show him early doors who I am, what I'm about. First minute, ball comes up, middle of the park, I crash, go straight over the top of him. Yeah. That's Stevie. Picks himself up off the floor, and I never forget it. Just gave me a little look and was like, all right, move. For the next 45 minutes, I didn't touch the ball.
Right.
And he was like 1-2s round me, running past you when he's got 10 yards, he's 10 yards and he's past you within 5. You know, like people don't realise how quick he was.
Yeah.
Like, he was so quick. Like, he could play as a winger. But he would run through the middle of the pitch with the ball, without the ball. He was quicker than you, he was stronger than you, he was better than you. He was good on the ball, and he had a carrot. He was horrible. You know, he would go right through you and wouldn't think anything about it. You know, like, he was an animal. And then he'd go and, you know, score from 40 yards. Like, for me, I got dragged in that game at half time. I couldn't wait to get off the pitch.